This is desktop. This is Windows layout. This demonstrate help you to understand in Windows learning. These things icons are shortcuts of folders, files and recycle bin also. Number 1, desktop shortcuts. Shortcuts to files, folders and the recycle bin. Number 2, the taskbar. Like in previous version of Windows, the taskbar provides access to the start menu, shortcuts to program as well as volume and time control. Number 3, the start button found on the bottom of left of your screen. The start button allows you to access computer programs and configuration options such as Windows settings. Number 4, Windows search allows you to search for programs, folders and files. Number 5, task view, a new feature in Windows 10 that gives you access to a task switcher tools as well as a virtual desktop. Number 6, file explorer, formerly known as Windows Explorer. File Explorer is a file manager application that allows you to access files and folders on the computer. Number 7, taskbar programs provides quick access to open or pinned programs. Number 8, volume adjusters allows adjusting the volume. Number 9, dead time, access to dead time options. Number 10, notification area. Notification area are alerts available from here. If this video is fruitful for you, you must subscribe and click on bell icon. Thank you very much.